Well, he looks at me with those innocent eyes and says it looks like you're wearing some kind of disguise, because your hair sticks up, your shoes are untied, and I hope that you got that shirt at half price. And every word I say falls flat on the floor. I try to tell a joke, he's heard it before, and it's something that I can't take it no more. He's driving me right out my front door. Why do you do what you do?